In 1977, Carl Sagan and a team of astronomers compiled a series of sounds and images for extraterrestrials to find. This collection, portraying life on Earth, came to be called the Golden Record. The record was attached to Voyagers 1 and 2, which were shot out into space, headed for the stars. It appears that someone far, far away had the same idea. In 2021, the Swedish Space Institute recovered a record from what is believed to be the remains of a fallen alien spacecraft. The disc allegedly contains images and music created by beings of another world. Some of the contents have been decoded and now released to the public.